Introduce highlight features or overview summary for INMETT Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, with 2 PCS 12-volt lithium rechargeable battery brushless polisher with variable speed. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This cordless polisher is only 3 pounds weight. Easy for carrying and storage. 6 mm random orbit ensures a uniform finish, friendly for beginners on all painted surface. It also does not need to be connected to a socket for use, and the operation is safer. The inside of the cordless polisher for car detailing has a powerful motor. The speed can be adjusted in 1 to 6 levels, up to 2,500 to 5,000 rpm. The power is enough, can do car polishing, waxing. Buffering well, refresh your car. Come with 2 batteries, 2.0 amp hour and a fast charger. The battery with large capacity and small volume. One battery can provide 50 minutes of car detailing. You can charge one battery while running out the other, so you don't have to sweat being out of juice. Our cordless polisher has a battery status reminder function. There are 3 colored lights, green, yellow, red. It's green when it's fully charged. It turns red when it needs to be recharged. It comes with various polishing attachments. These accessories are ideal for any polishing, grinding, or waxing work. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.